As an Air Force veteran skilled in aircraft maintenance, Jeremy LaBorde became well-versed in working with diverse metals and composites. This experience provided him with a keen understanding of the rationale for choosing specific materials based on their unique attributes, such as strength, durability, cost-effectiveness, and shape, factors that are crucial in an industry where the weight of materials is paramount. Years later, this knowledge guided him to recognize the same unique geometric pattern in an entirely different material. By embedding this pattern into a new matrix, he developed an innovative composite now being investigated for its potential use in various applications, including serving as a substitute for balsa wood in the construction of aerospace and aeronautical vehicles, creating buoyant platforms for photovoltaic systems, replacing failed necks in high-end guitars, and producing cost-efficient materials for expendable military use. The advantages of this material are multifaceted. It's economical and energy efficient to produce from recycled waste, significantly lowers our global carbon footprint, and has the potential to generate numerous manufacturing jobs across the world. In essence, money talks and trash flows. And we're willing to talk trash with anyone interested in floating money towards our goal of sustainability. Manufacturing a new composite material on a large scale involves a host of challenges that need to be addressed for successful implementation. Some of these challenges include raw material supply chain. Securing a consistent and reliable source of raw materials, particularly if the composite relies on recycled waste or specialized inputs, can be complex. Fluctuations in availability and quality of these materials can impact production. Scaling production processes. Processes that work on a small scale often require significant modification to be effective and efficient at larger scales. This might involve the development of new machinery, technologies, or methods. Quality control. Maintaining consistency and quality during mass production can be difficult. As production scales up, small variances in the process can lead to significant product discrepancies. Cost management. Keeping costs low while scaling up is a common challenge, especially as larger volumes typically require more substantial investment in equipment, facilities, and labor. Technical expertise. A workforce skilled in the manufacturing of advanced composites is necessary. Training or hiring personnel with the requisite expertise can be a challenge. Environmental regulations. Compliance with environmental regulations can be more complex as production scales up, especially if the composite material includes chemicals or processes that are heavily regulated. Research and development. Continuous R&D is necessary to improve the material properties and production processes, which requires ongoing investment. Market acceptance. There can be resistance to adoption of new materials from industries that are accustomed to traditional materials, requiring efforts in marketing and education to demonstrate the benefits of the new composites. Infrastructure. Adequate infrastructure must be in place to support large-scale production, including facilities, logistics, and distribution networks. Intellectual property. Protecting the intellectual property associated with new composite may become more challenging as production and visibility increase. Testing and certification. Obtaining necessary certifications for the new material to be used in various applications, such as aerospace or military, can be time-consuming and costly. Investment for scaling. Attracting the necessary investment to scale production can be challenging, as investors need to be convinced of the potential return on investment. Addressing these challenges often requires a strategic approach, significant investment, and collaboration with various stakeholders, including suppliers, industry experts, and regulatory bodies.